This tutorial is going to help you with the mini programs in VB 2010 assignment. For the first one, it says create a program that has a button and a picture box. The picture will appear when the user clicks on the button. So we're going to go to Visual Basic, New Project, Windows Forms Application, and click on OK. Just as we've done in previous tutorials. I'm going to add a button because it said we need to have a button that is pressed for an image to appear. I'm going to rename the button. The prefix for button is BTN. I'm going to call it BTN Show Pic. I'm also going to change the text of the button to Show Picture. Now I'm going to add the picture box. And I'm going to rename PictureBox to PIC. And the picture that I'm going to make appear is a computer, so it's PIC computer. And now I'm going to put an image in to the picture box. So you go to Image, in the Properties window, make sure you have PictureBox selected, click on the ellipsis, which will open up a dialog window, and now we can actually go through and look for some images. So I'm clicking on Local Resource Import, and I'm going to import a file. I actually saved a picture into my folder before beginning this tutorial. And it's computer image. And just quickly to show you, after you search for an image on Google Images, you can just right click, save image as, and then you save it into the right folder, into your directory. So I already did that earlier. So now I'm going to click on OK. So I went to Local Resource Import and I located the picture. So you can see it appeared in the picture box. What you also want to do, as it says in the instructions, you'll have to change the StretchImage or the size mode to StretchImage in the Properties window for the picture box. Because right now, if I were to squish this, resize it, the whole computer doesn't show. So I'm going to go to size mode, and instead of normal, I'm going to change it to StretchImage, and that allows you to adjust the size of your picture box, and the image will adjust with it. So I'm going to change the visibility to false because you don't want it to appear until they click on the button. So again, when the picture box is selected, you have to make sure that the visible in the Properties window is changed to false. So when you run your program, you can just start debugging now just to see. Right now, nothing happens because I haven't put any code in the button, but the picture is invisible. So before I forget, I'm just going to change the form name to FRM Show Pic. And I'll change the text of the form to Show Picture. That's all it does. So we're going to double click on the button to type in some code. The name of the picture box is Pic Computer. Now your picture box might be called Pic and whatever your image is of. So dot visible equals, so Pic Computer dot visible equals, right now it's set to true or to false. I'm going to change it to true. So what happens is, this is the code for this button. This is the event. When this button, it's called BTN Show Pic, is clicked, everything inside of this area here, this code will occur. So let's try running our program now. So I click on Show Picture and the picture appears.